Are you still building your restaurant the old school way? On-site, overtime, over budget? 2 months in, timeline slip, rent kicks in, finishes fall short of expectations, and your dream cafe? Still under construction. That's where FlatPack comes in. FlatPack isn't just a new build method, it's the smarter way to build your restaurant. So let me tell you how it works. You approve the design, we break down that design into brand specific components, from walls and counters to partitions and ceiling elements. Every piece becomes a SKU, factory finished, quality check done, delivered as a ready to assemble kit, fits on site like Lego. So, what do you get when you choose FlatPack? Up to 50% faster build because most of the work happens off-site. Lower cost, fewer labor hours, fewer surprises. Factory precision. Every piece is perfect. Scalable design, reusable, relocatable, reconfigurable. And no chaos. One system, one team, zero contractor headaches. Your first layout sets the system. Everyone after gets faster. By the third or fourth, you're launching stores in days, not months. Doing just one, you save time. Doing 10, you save cost and scale without losing sleep. This isn't just factory finished interiors. It's a smarter, cleaner, leaner way to build. FlatPack doesn't just replace your contractor, it replaces the chaos of managing 7 of them. FlatPackCo, for brands that want their first outlet to be great and their fifth to be effortless.